How to delete game saves from Steam Cloud. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to delete your saved games from your Steam Cloud. So first of all you have to do is just simply launch your Steam game launcher, and after that just simply log into your account. And once you're logged into your account, just go to the Steam section from the top right hand side of the screen. Just simply tap on the Steam section from there, and now just go to the settings from the list given below, and over here under the left hand side menu of the screen, you will be able to see the cloud option from there. Just simply tap on it, and after that you will be able to see two options right there: enable Steam Cloud and screenshot management. So you need to make sure that your enable Steam Cloud section has been enabled. The enable Steam Cloud synchronizes for application which supports it. And after that, just come back to the home screen, and from there just go to the library section from the top right corner and just select the game that you would want to delete. And after that, right click on that and click on properties from there, and the pop-up menu will appear on which you will be able to see the option called delete this game from cloud. Just simply go ahead and press on it and click on continue, and this way you will be able to delete your saved games from Steam Cloud. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.